Having fireworks and it's awesome and cool and everything. But I don't think they're having it. Not having it. Whoa! Oh yeah, baby! Woo! Woo! Oh my God, that was a rainbow. That looks like a rainbow to me.
That's where we gotta go.
That's so awesome! That looks like a rainbow, guys.
Oh, it did. Wait. Is there more? What's in them?
Well, there's some over there, but we can't see them. But over here, it's like going, like a lot is going on.
No.
Come on, we need more fireworks right now. Mama, yeah, give us something. You know the 3 dots? That's it. Like, it's a thing that goes like that. We hit that, and then it'll happen. Mama, I'm not feeling just. Guys, we're just waiting, so I'm gonna pause the video and wait. Well, I hear them, but they're not coming out. Oh, that's over there. Can't really see them. You can hear them. I can see them. They go. Hold on, wait, stop. I can't see him.
They're done. Hey, they're done.
Hold on. Can I stay here so I can kind of. So many. What?
Don't stand up there like that.
Okay.
Stop it.
Bye. No, not bye. But
Stop.
hold on.